This is a fortunate day on our national hero and Bharat Ratna, Baba Sahab Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, taking birth in India. We must pay tribute to his service rendered towards the nation. Ambedkar's legacy as a socio-political reform had a deep effect on modern India. In post-independence India, his socio-political thought is respected across the political spectrum. His initiatives have influenced various aspects of life and transformed the way India today looks at socio-economic, political, education and affirmative action through the socio-economic and legal incentives. His reputation as a scholar led to his appointment as Free India's first law minister and chairman of the committee for drafting of the Constitution of India. He passionately believed in individual freedom and criticized caste society. His accusation of Hinduism as being the foundation of the caste systems made it controversial and unpopular amongst the Hindu. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was against the prevalent untouchability in Indian society. He has given equal status and equal opportunity to the OBC, SC, ST and minority in India. His conversion to Buddhism sparked a revival in interest in Buddhist history in India and abroad. Many public institutions are named in his honor. Dr. Baba Sahab Ambedkar International Airport in Nagpur, otherwise known as Sonegar Airport. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar. Ambedkar University in Delhi is also named in his honor. The Maharashtra government has acquired a house in London where Ambedkar lived during his day as a student in the 1920s. The house is expected to be converted into a museum cum memorial to the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Ambedkar is living in the heart of Indians. He was voted the greatest Indian in 2012 by a poll organized by History, TB18 and CNN-IBN, ahead of Patel and Nehru. Nearly 20 million voters were voted due to his role in economic. Narendra Jadhav, a notable Indian economist, has said that Ambedkar was the highest educated Indian economist of all times. Amartya Sen said, "The Ambedkar is father of my economics," and he was highly controversial figure in his home country, though it was not reality. His contribution in the field of economics is marvelous and will be remembered forever. Left, the statue of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar in the Parliament of India. Right, the portrait of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar in the Central Hall of Parliament House. On 2 April 1967, and 3.66 meter, 12 feet tall bronze statue of Ambedkar was installed in the Parliament of India. The statue, sculpted by B.V. Beg, was unveiled by the then President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. On 12 April 1990, a portrait of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is put in the Central Hall of Parliament House. The portrait of Ambedkar, painted by J.B. Amrohai was unveiled by the then Prime Minister of India, Dr. B.P. Singh. Another portrait of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is put in the Parliament Museum and Archive of the Parliament House. One portrait of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is put in the Library Number 1 in Supreme Court of India. This is the honor of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He has rendered the service towards the nation. Today, we must pay the tribute to him. Thank you very much.